My name is Hinds, Managing Director of CVH-OMFB. We're here today to take a closer look at the OMFB Group products available through the TRP network for all commercial vehicles.
We have a great working relationship with OMFB. We have been partners within Europe for a number of years, and we have brought that partnership over to the UK to help our TRP network.
So recently we've moved to a new location, 26,000 square feet, 3 times bigger than what we've had for the last 30 years.
The new site is fantastic. It is a really impressive location, and it shows OMFB's investment within the UK market. OMFB carry £1.2 million worth of stock at this location, which is fantastic for our TRP network. The things TRP look for in a supplier is quality, experience, back office support, reliability, and OMFB excel in all of these areas.
Embracing now the new location of our UK premises, that enables us to offer larger stock quantities, quicker availability, and also the inclusion of a fitting service should that be required. Today we'll be showing you the universal wet kits that are available through TRP, starting with our modular mounting brackets, the oil tanks and the different options in hydraulic pumps and connections, trying to make it as simple as possible to fit to any particular truck, be it DAF or other brand. The OMFB Wet Kit is actually the wet kit they've been buying through many different installers for many years, as this is the #1 wet kit in the UK.
This means for customers that they've got a one-stop shop for when buying new and used vehicles. They can have retrofitted wet kits onto new vehicles at one supplier, or they can even purchase a used vehicles and have that retrofitted afterwards.
So here you're seeing a kit that's been ordered by one of the TRP customers. It's laid out with the tank, the brackets and all the components. Each component comes bagged with its own instructions to what you're actually seeing within that bag. Within the TRP platform there's hydraulic circuit diagrams for where every item goes, and therefore you can easily find how to install it as well. You'll find that not only have we got the OMFB wet kits, we've also got hydraulic and electrical components for everyday vehicles. So you have cab controls for tippers, you have tipper controls, you have the tipper valves for a 8x4, 6x4 tipper, and other components within that are available to other markets, as in recovery, tankers and such like.
TRP customers can contact their local DAF and TRP dealership and work with them to build their bespoke kits. The dealership will then work with OMFB to create a unique kit for that customer. For generic kits and replacement parts, they can go onto their DAF web shop account and order through there.